As you can see, there's 5 cards on this. I'm going to practically make 2 on them. Say the magic words, Christopher, and wave the wand. Wave the wand over. With the jello. Now I'm going to make 5 back on there. Okay, now, Christopher, you're going to say liver jello. Liver jello.
Nice job.
Okay, are you ready? Now I'm going to make it into an egg. Say liver jello. Liver jello.
Wow.
It's an egg. Now I'm going to make Now I'm going to make the egg into something pink and purple like a ball. Now, Christopher, wave the wand and say liver jello. Liver jello. Now I'm going to make it into a red cotton ball. So you say liver jello. Liver jello. And there's practically nothing in the hat when I put all that stuff back in there. See?
Fancy.
Practically nothing.
Practically nothing.